so let's take a look at where we're at the moment. So we've built sliding doors. We've got this here. In the event graph right now, basically when we enter, we're going to play the timeline, and when we leave it, we're going to reverse the timeline. So we're going to take a look at just quickly here. I'm going to type a print. That's not what we want. I want to print a string. We're going to take this and drag it out right here. So that, and I'm going to compile it. We'll go back into the map. And I'll press play. As I go up to the door, you'll see it's going to go up, and then every 2 seconds it's going to come back down. We'll go back up. So literally, it's every single gameplay tick. So we know so we know the triggers are working. That portion is what we want. All right, I'm going to take these out because we don't need them. I'm going to take our slide door. It's literally when we make a function, basically are building a node. So I'm going to do. So first we're going to on update. Door would be door A, the target. Start location. And I'll plug in the percentage here. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'll place a new node here. I'm going to do reroute. So start here. And this one will jump here. I'll drag this out. And then I'm going to grab this, I'm going to paste this over here. There we go, reroute node. There we go. So using these to control how these wires are going. Take a look. I've got to look at the direction one more time. But in this case, the door here is door B. So here's door B start. And I'm going to get that. Put that into the start location. And then grab door B. Plug that there. So I plug into the door. And I'll connect these across. All right, so let's go back, compile. Let's go back to our viewport. And I'm going to select door B. Here we go, door B. Okay, so door B is going to move in a positive direction, and door A is going to move in a negative direction. So let's go back to our event graph. So basically this is where, so direction needs to be -1 here for door A, and direction needs to be 1 here for door B. And I think we've got everything together. Let's compile. Let's just jump in. Everything should be okay. Let's see the doors opened up. And here they're going to open up relative here. Again, we use the relative position, not the world position. If we were using the world position, we'd have to figure out the direction, how to slide ourselves. Let's take this one step further. I'm going to take this one, and rather than being 90 degrees, I'm going to do 45 degrees. Do -45 degrees so we can walk up to it. So here it is on an angle, and it's still doing the same behavior. And that's again because we worked internally to the object. We worked locally to the object. Again, again, we worked in this scale here, and the again everything we worked. The movement of our doors are because it's a relative. It's the local. It's going to be relative to the scene root right here. Now we can again. I can move these up. Attach, attach. So we can collapse that because this is kind of what we want. Save everything. Again, we can go back in. Same behavior, even though I reparented everything. Now, there's a lot we can do. We can make the doors snap. It takes 2 seconds to open and then 2 seconds to close. There's no sound, so we could be playing some sort of sound effect as it's working. So there's a lot of things that we could be doing with this object to improve it. But this is in a nutshell, this is it's a sliding door. Do I need to like put this into a wall? I mean, like the other thing is come back around. The door is coming through the wall right here, so these need to be up against thick pillars basically to hide that fact. There's more that we can do, but for our purposes for right now for the assignment, this is perfectly fine. Any questions? Do you feel like this is perfectly fine that you'll be able to do this? Think so? You think so? Sure. All right. Question. Oh my God, I'm having a wonderful night. Oh, my apologies. I've been sharing this wrong screen in the past 10 minutes. Rachel, again, I have been recording correctly, so um, push come shove, you will have everything in the recording when it gets up to YouTube shortly after I stop recording. Is there anything that I should be showing off that we want to talk about? Okay, I'm going to stop the recording here, and then